Hey, welcome to today's video. Come on in. We have a really exciting apartment tour for you today, and I am pumped to show you this place. It is dialed in, and make sure you stick around to the end of today's video because you are not going to want to miss this view at night. We'll see you in the video. Welcome to 427 Allister, right uptown. This is a one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment that's just over 1,300 square feet, and it's actually broken into 3 levels. So the first level here that we're going to show you first is the main living area. You have your kitchen and your living space. We'll jump right over here to the kitchen. This is a really nice kitchen for a one-bedroom apartment. Typically in Uptown, with one bedrooms, you run into a lot of studios or things that are just under 1,000 square feet, but you really have a lot of space in here to cook. You got your granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, stainless steel finishes too, and then look at this island. I love this island. You know, you can really comfortably cook here if you do a lot of cooking on your own. And then we'll come over here to the living space now and check this out. We got Mr. Bo with us here, who's hanging out with us today, and as you can see, there is a lot of room in here, again, for a one-bedroom apartment. You know, we have our 8-person couch here, plenty of room to entertain. Also, you have your 12-foot ceilings, so it feels really spacious in here, and then plenty of wall space to hang a big TV. We got football going today, and then of course our nice electric fireplace, which is a fantastic touch, and our Christmas tree, real festive. Now come over to these floor-to-ceiling windows. Incredible. Not only do they let in a lot of natural light, but the view here is awesome because you get a great view of the building right across the street, and then you also have a view of the skyline. You're starting to just see it here. You got the Truist building, Bank of America building, the Duke Energy building over there, and the Wells Fargo. So it is a really cool view. Awesome living spot, again, right uptown. Now let's go downstairs and check out the bathroom and the bedroom. All right, now down here we have the bedroom, and the bottom floor here is all your own. Again, really a lot of space for a one bedroom, and I like the privacy of it because the entire downstairs is just yours. I can't reiterate that enough. It's really cool to me. So again, you get the big windows here, the floor to ceiling. The view's not that good because again, we went down one floor, but still lets in a lot of natural light. And then over this way, we have the bathroom as well. Now, one thing that I would say could be improved with this apartment is its lighting. So not a whole lot of overhead lighting. The downstairs is actually pretty dark, so you got to get your own lamps and lights. Now, it's not too much of a problem because you do want your bedroom to be a bit dark, right? But that'd be my one improvement. So over this way, we have the bathroom. Come in, you get your floor, or your walk-in shower, excuse me. You get your high vanities, again with the chrome finishes, and then over this way, you got your walk-in closet. Plenty of space to put all your clothes, especially for one person living here, which is great. And then the best thing about it is that your washer and dryer is right here. It's stackable, so it's a really quick trip from the bedroom into the bathroom to go ahead and do your laundry. Now we're gonna go up to the 3rd floor, which is my favorite part of this entire house. Can't wait to show you the view from the roof terrace. Now let's go ahead, we'll head up. Now get ready for this view. As you can see, it is fantastic. You can see pretty much all of the Charlotte skyline, and it is beautiful. You really can't beat this view, and Charlotte really has one of the best skylines of any major cities because the way that they light up their buildings. Fun fact is that all of the major buildings are actually on some sort of communication where they correspond with each other to decide what the theme is going to be and what colors they're putting out. So you see red, white, and blue on the 4th of July. You'll see Carolina blue for the Panthers games. views or, you know, anything else, you know, they're all in correspondence with each other, so that way the skyline is always lit up in some unique way. So a little bit more about the terrace itself. It's 10 feet by 12 feet, so still a lot of good room to come up here, host a few friends, no major parties or anything like that, but definitely enough space to come up here, have a good time, put some patio furniture up. So the big question you're probably thinking of is, how much does it cost to rent this place? So this specific unit is rented for $1,700 a month. If you're looking for a 2-bedroom, it's going to be roughly about $2,400. So, you know, again, you're right in Uptown Charlotte, close to everything. The Spectrum Center, right uptown. It is a really good spot to be. So, you know, it really is worth that cost if you're trying to get out and explore the city. Now, that's it for today's video. I really appreciate you tuning in. Go ahead, make sure you hit the notification bell. Make sure you subscribe so that way you can be alerted when our next video drops. Remember, we're putting out new videos every Monday on Charlotte and the real estate here. Make sure you go ahead, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any real estate need or are looking to move to the Charlotte area, we would love to be your real estate resource. So make sure you go ahead and you email us at info@tdl-entertainment.com, and we'll see you in the next video.